Right, hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you're well. Today we're going to be playing Nothing on the ZX Spectrum. It's a fairly modern homebrew game, I think it came out last year, and it gives me the vibes of an indie game for like the Switch or something like that. So we're going to have a quick playthrough of it, just see how we get on, and just like give you my impressions really. So yeah, let's get on with it and start the game. Now, as you can see, you actually do start with nothing. There's no sound. There we go. Now the sound started. You've unlocked sound. And you have unlocked the sound effects. And now I've unlocked going to the left. So at the moment, I must admit when I first played this, I thought my pad was broken or joystick. I can't go left. I can't go right. I can only go left. And as you go along in this game, you add more abilities to your character that you can do more things. Now, I must admit, I do find this one a little bit tricky. Because you get so used to games knowing where to stop. Oh, like that. You can't go backwards. You've got to time this first bit perfectly. Let's go again. We may go through this a few times. Once I get past this first little bit, I find the game a lot easier. But this just going to the left. No, I went too far, you see? Too far. I'm going to try this a few times. Oh, that was a good one. That was close. No, oh, damn, I shouldn't have stopped. I want to stop there. That's where I want to stop. I'm not lying. I genuinely have struggled with this first part of the game. Oh, that was close. Now we need to stop on the next one again. Oh, come on. If we can do this. Yes. Oh, you don't believe how long that has took me in the past to get to there. You stop in the wrong place. Right, now we've unlocked jumping. So we still can't go right, but we can jump. And unlock a new ability. We have unlocked the ability to look down. And this is our save point. Right, so we can keep an eye on that. I like the atmosphere in this game, I really do. Oh, I can't remember how to do this one there. Careful now. Thanks for the info. Oh, I've got, you can't actually go through. Oh, that's close. It's really tense though, this game, sometimes. Where do I go now? Ah, there. I see, I can't go left. I can't go left. Right. I can't go right. I can only go left. God, this game, I don't even know left from right. And now we've got another ability. Unlock the ability to basically go through the floor. So with these ones, look. See, now I got stuck. Damn. I walked forward too far. I'd kill myself. Where does it start me back? That's it. Starts me back there. So now what I was going to say is you can go through these floors. R mode. I don't know what that is. It's saying R. So what do you think of this game? I like that it's monochrome. It's got a great atmosphere to it. It definitely feels... Oh, hang on. This is one where you can choose your power up. I'm going to choose that one. I've unlocked a sweet hat. Okay, I've unlocked a hat. Yeah, just got to stay down, stay down. I love that. It's telling me to duck. After how long have I been going along on that conveyor belt? They know what they're doing. I do like that duck though, your legs spray it to the side like that. It's like doing little splits, isn't it? So anyway, I can move this direction at the moment anyway. I've unlocked squeaky shoe mode. Wow, that's not going to get annoying. Run. Is that why it's got the screaming on it? Oh, that was close. Oh, new music? Elevator music. Listen to this. Oh, you watch. It's whatever it is, because I can't go. Yeah. Whatever that upgrade was, I can't do anything about it because I can't move out of the way. It is quite clever, this game. I give it that. This game is... Oh, there we go. Back to the dramatic music again. Oh, look at that. Do you know what? Now it's made it a platform game. You haven't looked run mode. Hold fire whilst moving. Where are we going? Final stretch. It can't be the end of the game already. Well, no, because I've just decided to run into that. Oh, they're going to make me run again, are they? I wonder what that's saying above me there. Someone will have to let me know. Oh, hit the spikes. Yeah, don't like it has to make me all the way back there, so I maybe should not die again. Oh, that was close. Oh, come on. Gotta go to the squeaky shoes again. Because I do remember right back at the beginning, it said exit was right. Oh, that's better. Look, exit. Right. Yeah, look, because that's where we started. I wonder if I go back round again, I can get more of those power-ups. Oh. You have activated the hunger meter. Wonder what that is. I'll go this way. Oh, the spikes. It's a little bit exploratory, this game. Should we go the other way? Oh, that's why. Can't go that way then. So it's got to be that way. I pressed jump. Do you know, this really, and I've said it already, but this does not feel like a Spectrum game. So, about this brick, that was it. Exit. I wonder what happens if we go past the exit. Nothing. This seems like a kind of game. You finish the stage. Number of death 10. I think I died more than 10. So what's the next stage then? Slow and steady wins the race. Ah! Hang on. I've just realised. I can't let him see me. Oh, no, I should have ran. What the hell's this? Come on. It said slow and steady. How much slower can I go? Oh, any help would be very grateful. Sorry, I'm going to run. Maybe it's telling me the wrong thing. Nope. that was just instant death. Can I jump on his head? No. It just doesn't want to... How do I get past this guy? Maybe if I wait and see when he charges me, I can run. No. I'm just going to try jumping on his head. I'm going to go to the traditional, try and jump on in his head, but it doesn't seem like this kind of game. Nope. That's instant death. Can't touch him, so I can't touch him. Maybe I've just got to wait until he does that and then dash. Nope. I can't. As soon as he sees me, I'm dead. I think this is pretty much where this video is going to end, because I need to figure out how to kill this guy. I'll have a few more attempts, but yeah, this is not going well for me. Very impressive game. Oh, I think I'm going to have a look at some gameplay, and if I can figure out how to kill this guy, I'm going to come back and do a follow-up video. But yeah, this is nothing on the Spectrum. Very impressive game. Does not feel like a Spectrum game. Nope, dead again. It doesn't feel like a Spectrum game. It really does feel like this could be an indie game for the Switch or something like that. It's definitely got that feel about it. But this can run on original hardware. I am playing it on the Spectrum next. That's just because of ease of use of getting it onto the folder and everything else. But yeah, nothing on the ZX Spectrum. Definitely want to try out, and if I can get past this boss, look out for a follow-up video with me not dying every 5 seconds. Anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you again next time. Bye. Okay, guys, follow up. I have figured it out. Let's go. Right, it is right. Slow and steady does win the race. So I've got to run when he's like that. And obviously stop a bit sooner. I will just try and pay attention and get it to the end. Right, let's see if we can do this properly. Watch. That was a close one. Just like that. That's how you're supposed to kill him. So yeah, now we know how to get past this guy. So yeah, that's where I'm going to leave it, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again next time.